You don't get a treat if you don't go outside. Just because you didn't go outside because it's raining doesn't no. No. No treat. You didn't go outside. No treat. No. No. You guys are so spoiled. You're so spoiled, aren't you? Absolutely spoiled, right? You have a popcorn? You want popcorn? Popcorn, popcorn. You can catch it, Chloe? Oh, I messed it up. I can't throw with the camera in my hand, can I? I'll give you another one. I'm bad for trying to make you go outside, huh? You ready, Chloe? You gonna... Good. Oh, see. It's not always my fault. You go outside? No. He's not going.